Hi, I'm Julia Holian of Holian Associates. I am here today to talk to you about career strategy and coaching tips that'll help you with any stage of your career. So, if you haven't heard of Gallup's CliftonStrengths, it's a game changer. I really want you to check it out. Go to Gallop.com and look at the different resources available to you if you become a follower of the CliftonStrengths. When I was starting out in my coaching career, I looked at so many different assessments, tons of tools that could help my clients. And I decided that CliftonStrengths was going to be the best one going forward. I like so many things about it. One of the things that you're going to find if you start using CliftonStrengths is that it's going to rank 34 different talent themes that every one of us has, but it's going to tell you what comes naturally to you, and you probably already know it to a certain extent, but it's enlightening to have something come out and say, yeah, this is you. And these are the talents that you actually use to be successful in everything that you do. But most of us, when we are achieving things, when we're tackling a new project, when we're trying something new, we don't really think of the talents that we put into it and how we can use those to be more successful. We also don't always look at those talents and think of how they might be holding us back or when they might create some kind of a conflict. These strengths assessments and all the resources that go with them help answer those questions, to give you clarity, to give you language to be able to articulate what it is that you do well and why you like to do it and how you do that, so that you can be the best person in your team and the best leader for whomever you're leading or the projects that you're working on. And the tools that they're coming out with every year are just fantastic. The latest one that they came out with in June of 2021 is a whole new guide just for managers. And again, it's a game changer. So as a Gallop Certified Strengths Coach, I like to use this with my clients. It helps them when they are trying to move up the ladder. It helps when you're working on your resume or even your LinkedIn profile or interviewing, so that you're really clear about what you do, what you want to do, how you're going to be successful at it. And it gives you confidence to have all those conversations so that you can be the best that you can be in whatever it is that you're tackling. So let's start talking about that. Give me a call. Let's talk about how strengths can help you be your successful self. Thanks for listening today. Julia Holian. Have a great afternoon.